The government, through a joint team of various agencies, has destroyed counterfeit and illegal goods worth nearly 100 million at the Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute, KIRDI, in Kisumu. The destroyed items include illicit alcohol, unapproved bottled water, and counterfeit cigarettes. Speaking on behalf of the Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, Nancy Chemtai said the operation aims to protect public health, ensure that products reaching the market meet quality standards and are duly taxed.
These are worth almost 100 million. They comprise of cigarettes, alcohol, and even water that was giving unfair competition to legitimate traders. In terms of how it got into the market, much of it is smuggled, and some of it is produced locally by unlicensed manufacturers. So we appreciate a lot of the intelligence information that we get from the public, because we've gotten also a lot of support from the public who tell us where these products are, and our teams are able to respond with the support of the police, and we are able to nab them.
At the same time, Kisumu County Commissioner Mohamed Ramadhan Mobuto issued a stern warning to criminal gangs and politicians allegedly financing crime for political gain. He said security agencies have identified those involved and will continue pursuing them until the law takes its course.
Zilisha wakati wake. Kuna viongozi wengi katika nchi ambao wamechaguliwa mara nyingi sana bungeni na hawajatembea na guns. Huo ni ujinga. Ni kitu ya zamani sana, imepitwa na wakati. Na wananchi pia msifuate wale wanasiasa ambao wana value guns. Sasa hii tunataka maendeleo. Watu wana kazi, wanatafuta kazi. Gunism sio kazi, sio ajira. Ni uhalifu. Na tutakubali mhalifu. Hata juzi nasikia jana karibu wanapiga watu, lakini ole wao. Tunawatafuta mmoja baada ya mwingine.
The government has reiterated that it will continue strengthening the fight against illicit trade and crime in order to protect public health, government revenue, and enhance security in Kisumu County.
Tunawasihi wakazi kwamba kuna witness protection na ilieko kwa ajili ya kulinda haki za wale witnesses. Tunaitaka wakati tunaposhika watu wajitokeze, wale waliodhulumika, walioibiwa mali zao wajitokeze na waweze kutueleza na waweze kutoa ushahidi kotini. Na tuhakikisha kwamba usalama wao umedumishwa.
Reporting for County Splash TV, I'm Karen Owino.